You want to see my armadillo?
Come look at the bird. Look at the bird.
All right, Daisy, let's order some lunch.
Oh my god!
This is Daisy.
Of course.
If you can reach.
Oh my god, stop. That is so cute.
Thank you.
Oh
my God, Poppy.
Poppy? I also have a dog that looks kind of just like her.
Morning, handsome. Hi. I love you. I know. Who's gonna feed you today?